It's great when we have a real appreciation with nature, and we'd like to incorporate that feeling into our home. I'm talking, of course, about gardening and the pleasures of framing your home in living beauty. In one aspect, it's the satisfaction of thoroughly completing a task well. And in another, it's the visual orchestration of the many details that constitute fine gardening. Here to your rescue is Koby's Garden Alchemy. As a professional artist, garden designer, horticulturist, and detail maintainer, I can visualize the entire picture, plan all the details, select the superior varieties, install plants superbly, and keep your garden looking its best for years to come. Why Koby? There are many reasons my clients keep asking me to work my magic, but like any great magician, I don't give away all my secrets. However, just between you and me, I'll give you a peek behind the curtain. Part of it is my expertise in garden design and plant diversity. And part of it is my eye-catching container gardens. And there's a whole lot more. I look forward to working with people who realize the time has come to give your personal green dreams a professional boost. And while I'm not able to consult from the comments section of this video, I do have a website where you can view further information about my professional procedures. Plus, there's more photos and videos of my magic. If you really like what you see, get in touch with me via the contact page on my website, and I'll be glad to pursue the potentials of your garden goals and dreams with you.